Hey there, future business owners. So you're thinking about diving into the world of car detailing. It's a fantastic idea, and we are here to guide you step by step. Now let's cruise through this journey together. But before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save your new business time and money. First, did you know that, as of 2021, the car wash and auto detailing industry was worth about $33 billion globally? Well, that's true. Now think about carving your slice from that massive pie. Getting started. First, find your niche. Whether it's offering premium services or maybe focusing on environmentally friendly products. Research and find what works best for you. Next up, sketch out a business plan. Consider all the little details like your business structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Now it's time to learn the ropes. You might want to get some training or experience in car detailing. There are a bunch of workshops and courses out there where you can gain hands-on experience. Then we move on to finding the perfect location. High traffic areas are generally a good idea. Make sure you have enough space to operate without any hassle. Your next step is to get the necessary permits and licenses. Check with your local government to find out what you need. At this stage, you're all set to choose your products and equipment. Do a bit of research, maybe even test a few products to find what meets your quality standards and fits within your budget. Now let's talk about marketing, your gateway to reaching customers. Set up a website, maybe start a blog where you share tips on car maintenance. Social media platforms are also a great way to connect with potential clients. Don't forget to offer exceptional customer service. A satisfied customer can become a loyal customer and even bring in more customers through word of mouth. Keep in mind, building a business takes time and patience. In the beginning, growth might seem slow. But did you know most businesses start to see profit in their third year? So hang in there and keep polishing your skills and services. To get your detailing business's licensing and registration set up quicker, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you're welcome to begin the process over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on the steps in this video? Which one seems the most challenging to you? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.